How am I a tampon expert?
'Cause you're a vagina.
I'm not a what you said?
Hold on a sec. Did you shower today? You kind of smell.
What? I did shower.
You smell like a vagina.
I do not.
Oh, wait. You're right. Sorry about that.
Oh, thank you for the apology.
You smell like a virgin.
What? No! That doesn't even make any sense.
What doesn't make sense is not using Tampax. See how it absorbs everything that comes out of his vagina.
What the heck? Ugh, I thought they'd taste a lot drier.
Used ones are cheaper. You might have AIDS now.